Starting a business doesn't always mean you need a big office, a massive factory, or even a storefront. Sometimes, all you need is your backyard and the right machine. That's where the magic of China comes in. With thousands of affordable and compact machines available for import, you can transform your space into a money-making mini factory. Let's dive into 15 easy-to-import machines from China that can turn your backyard into a thriving business zone. Number 1. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own clothing line or customizing apparel for local events, a t-shirt printing machine could be your golden ticket. China manufactures affordable and efficient heat press and direct-to-film printers that can easily be shipped and set up in a garage or backyard shed. These machines are compact and user-friendly, with most models offering plug-and-play operation. You can import one for under $500, and your inventory, plain t-shirts, from sports team logos to funny quotes, there's always a market. Pair it with some social media marketing and online platforms like Etsy or Shopify, and you're in business. What's more, the customization trend is hotter than ever, and local clients prefer quick, personalized service. Number 2. 3D printers have come a long way, and today, many compact, affordable options are made in China. Whether you're crafting toys, custom phone stands, small mechanical parts, or even home decor, 3D printers open a universe of creativity. The profit margin on personalized 3D printed products can be enormous because customers pay for uniqueness. If you can learn simple design software or buy digital files online, you're set. You can run this entire operation from a single table in your backyard. Imagine creating custom keychains for a local event, bespoke chess pieces for gaming fans, or replacement parts for hobbyists. People love solutions, and a 3D printer gives you the power to make them. Number 3. A computer numerical control machine might sound high-tech, but there are desktop versions made in China that are surprisingly affordable and compact. These mini CNC routers or engravers are great for cutting and engraving wood, plastic, and even soft metals. You can make customized signs, plaques, wood decor, nameplates, and more. These products sell extremely well in local markets, on Etsy, and even on Facebook Marketplace. The learning curve is manageable, and Chinese manufacturers often include software and tutorials. You don't need a factory, just a workbench. One great thing, you'll never run out of ideas. Every season brings a new wave of decor trends and personalization demands. Number 4. Laser engraving machines are next level for people who want precision. They're perfect for engraving designs on wood, acrylic, leather, glass, or even metal. Made in China models are cost-effective and easy to maintain. Think personalized gifts, pet tags, cutting boards, wedding favors. The list is endless. You can charge premium prices for engraved items because they feel high-end and sentimental. One machine can turn a blank piece of wood into a piece of art. Also, bulk orders for local businesses, schools, or wedding planners can bring in consistent income. It's a one-person operation that screams professional results. Don't just sell products, sell meaning. Engraved memories are something people will always pay for. Number 5. Handmade candles are big business, but pouring wax manually can be messy and slow. That's why importing a candle making machine from China can be a game changer. These machines automate pouring, molding, and even fragrance injection in some models. It speeds up production, keeps quality consistent, and helps you meet demand when your brand starts growing. Start with local scents or themed collections. One great thing, candle profit margins are huge, especially if you brand them well. With a cozy backyard setup, you can turn basic raw materials into a luxury product. Bonus, your backyard will always smell amazing. Number 6. If you're in a warm climate, this is a goldmine. Chinese-made ice cream and gelato machines are compact and perfect for a backyard food business. You don't need a storefront, just a small stand or mobile setup. You can sell to your neighborhood, events, or local markets. Offer customizable toppings and flavors for an edge. Kids' birthday parties, school events, or even weekend park pop-ups could be your playground. With minimal ingredients and a fun product, it's easy to gain local popularity. Once word spreads, you'll have more orders than you can scoop. Number 7. Healthy living is trending, and so is fresh juice. Compact juice filling and packaging machines from China are ideal for launching your own juice brand right in your backyard. With fruits, bottles, and basic branding, you're ready to go. Think cold-pressed detox juices, smoothies, or flavored water. You can even use local ingredients and highlight the freshness in your marketing. Sell at weekend markets or supply to small cafes and gyms. With consistent packaging and a professional label, your product will look as good as it tastes. Number 8. Handmade soaps are another trending backyard product. A soap making machine helps automate the process, melting, molding, cutting, and ensures each bar is high quality. Import one from China and start small batch production right at home. Scented, exfoliating, charcoal, lavender. You can get as creative as you want. People love natural skincare, especially when it's handmade. Package it beautifully, and you can easily charge $5 or more per bar. You'll enjoy the process, keep your hands soft, and make money doing it. Number 9. Yes, even chickens can be part of a backyard business. Chinese egg incubators are efficient, easy to use, and very affordable. If you've got a little space, hatching and raising chicks can be a profitable business. You can sell chicks to local farms, hobbyists, or start a small egg-laying operation. Organic, home-raised eggs fetch premium prices. It's also an amazing family-friendly business. Kids love watching chicks hatch. With low costs and consistent demand, this rural meets modern business model is a hidden gem. Number 10. Who doesn't love donuts? Import a mini donut making machine from China, and you've got a mobile food business that fits in your garage. These machines can produce dozens of mini donuts per hour, and customers go crazy for them at events, fairs, or pop-up shops. Add fun toppings like sprinkles, chocolate drizzle, or cinnamon sugar. People pay $3 to $5 for a handful of these warm treats. Offer customizable packaging or pair them with coffee and hot drinks to boost your sales even more. The smell alone will bring customers in. Number 11. This might not sound exciting at first, but vacuum sealing is crucial for food storage businesses. Whether you're selling homemade jerky, dried fruits, teas, or even marinated meat, a good vacuum sealer is essential. Chinese-made machines come in various sizes and can handle both personal and commercial use. Pair this machine with a dehydrator or smoker, and you've got a gourmet food brand in the making. Local farmers markets, online orders, even supplying to small retailers, your options multiply once your packaging looks professional. Number 12. Sustainable packaging is in huge demand. Many small cafes, events, or food stalls need eco-friendly packaging. Chinese manufacturers produce mini paper cup and paper bag machines that are perfect for a backyard workshop. Once you're up and running, you can supply local businesses with customized biodegradable bags or cups. It's a B2B, business-to-business opportunity, meaning steady, bulk orders. Add in custom printing, and your clients won't just be buying packaging. They'll be buying marketing tools. Number 13. This is a small, super affordable machine you can order directly from Chinese websites. With just paper, pins, and the press, you can make custom button badges for schools, political campaigns, concerts, or businesses. It's incredibly simple and fun. Plus, the profit margin is massive. Make a badge for a few cents, sell for $1 or more. Great for events, fundraisers, or creating your own designs to sell online. It's also perfect for teens and families who want to run a business together. Number 14. Bubble tea is blowing up worldwide, and you don't need a big storefront to join the trend. Chinese bubble tea machines, mixers, shakers, and cup sealers are compact and easy to operate. Set up a weekend stall in your yard or at a nearby market and start selling to your neighborhood. Customize flavors and toppings, and you'll quickly develop a fan base. The ingredients are cheap, but the drink sells for $4, $6. Serve it with fun straws and cups, and you've got a viral business on your hands. Number 15. For those who don't mind a little physical work, this machine is a powerhouse. China manufactures manual and semi-automatic block-making machines perfect for backyard use. With just cement, sand, and molds, you can produce bricks or decorative concrete tiles. Sell to local builders, landscapers, or DIY homeowners. There's always construction happening somewhere, and offering unique, handmade pavers or blocks gives you a unique niche. It's low cost, rugged, and totally scalable. These machines aren't just tools, they are gateways to freedom. You don't need a big budget or a fancy degree. All you need is a little space, some hustle, and the willingness to learn. Imagine waking up and walking to your backyard to run a profitable, creative business. So now the big question is, which machine would you start with? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear what business idea is calling your name. And if you found a new business idea here, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with someone who's been dreaming of escaping the 9-to-5 grind. Let's build empires, one backyard at a time.